Hey folks, it's the blind guy here doing something kind of fun this time. I mean, they're all fun, right? But something a little different, I guess. And I like hot sauces. I like spicy food. And I'm going to just do some reviews whenever I get a hot sauce for you guys. This is Kentuxican Bourbon Hot Sauce. And it's produced by Seven Sisters out of Louisville, Kentucky. Louisville, is that how they say it? So I call it Louisville, Kentucky. I wanted something that was bourbon flavored, and so I'm going to give this a try and let you guys. I just got it today in the mail. I'm going to let you guys know what I think and where it ranks on the heat and flavor scale. I don't know. It didn't come with any kind of warning, so it's probably not terribly hot. It's always fun for a blind guy to try to pour onto a spoon. There we go. Didn't spill any. Cheers. Nice. Very nice. I like that. I like that a lot. It's how to describe it? It does have the smoky flavor, which I think is a bourbon. Wow, that's nice. It's got a lot of chunks in it from the peppers. I don't know what peppers they used. I'm guessing jalapenos or cayenne. You can taste the chunks or feel the chunks. Not incredibly hot, but hot enough to wake you up a little bit. Probably on the hot scale, I'd give it about a 5, middle of the range. Flavor scale, though, I'd give this an 8. I think it's great. I think if you put this on pizza, man, that'd be good. That's what I'm going to be doing. If you get some barbecue chicken pizza or something, put this on it. Oh, man. Okay, I'll put the link in the description. Remember, I bought this, not paid endorsement. Wow. Okay. I really enjoyed that. So I'll do that when I order more of those for you guys. I hope you're all doing well, and I hope that this was helpful for you. I really appreciate you guys and all the support that you give me, the comments and everything, subscribing. That's awesome. I'm not going to tell you to do it. I like it when people do it spontaneously, but I do appreciate it because I just do this for fun. So that is Kentuxican Bourbon Spicy Hot Sauce, produced by Seven Sisters out of Kentucky. So I hope that helps, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Laters on the Menjay.
Laters on the Menjay.